Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you the most honest, in-depth beauty reviews that make a difference. Today, we're talking about a game changer for your skincare routine, BYOMA Brightening Serum and Refill Bundle. This innovative product combines skincare science and sustainability in one, offering both a solution for radiant skin and a refillable packaging option to reduce waste. Let's take a closer look at what makes this serum stand out. BYOMA's Brightening Serum is designed to help you achieve glowing, even-toned skin while simultaneously strengthening your skin's barrier. The serum features a powerful blend of triceramide complex, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid, three heavy hitters when it comes to improving skin's health and appearance. The formula's lightweight, alcohol, and fragrance-free, making it a great option for sensitive skin, and it's also vegan and cruelty-free, which I know is important for many of you. This serum's hero ingredients, like hyaluronic acid, work to deeply hydrate and plump the skin, giving that fresh, dewy finish that we all want. Niacinamide helps target hyperpigmentation and even out skin tone, while the triceramide complex boosts your skin barrier, ensuring long-lasting protection and defense against environmental stressors. Plus, the added bonus of the refillable packaging gives you a sustainable option to continue using the serum without contributing to unnecessary waste. Now let's talk about how this serum actually feels in real life. The texture is super lightweight, which is a huge plus, especially when you're layering products in your routine. I found it absorbed quickly without leaving any greasy residue, which makes it easy to apply before your moisturizer or sunscreen. I've been using it in the morning, and I definitely noticed a more radiant complexion over time. My skin appeared brighter and smoother, and I felt like my overall texture improved, especially in areas that were prone to dullness. What I really loved is how well it worked on my skin's tone and texture. After consistent use, the serum delivered a noticeable brightening effect. Hyperpigmentation from past breakouts definitely faded. Uneven skin tone, much more balanced. It's clear that BYOMA has focused on what really matters, helping you achieve that glow without irritating or stripping the skin. Of course, no product is without its minor flaws. For one, the serum's bottle is a little bulky for travel, though the refill option definitely helps keep things eco-friendly and reduces waste. Also, while it claims to improve texture, if you have extremely dry or flaky skin, you might need to layer it with something a bit more hydrating for maximum results. But overall, I can't complain about the performance. In terms of value for money, considering that this is a 2-pack refillable serum bundle, I think it's priced fairly. The fact that you're getting a refill for your dropper helps offset the cost of buying a new bottle. And the formula itself is packed with high-quality ingredients, making it a solid investment in your skincare routine. Comparing it to other brightening serums on the market, I found BYOMA to be more accessible in terms of pricing, especially for its high-quality ingredients. Many similar products can get a bit steep, but this one feels like a luxury skincare item at a more reasonable price point. Now, when it comes to build quality, the serum comes in sturdy, well-made packaging that gives off a premium feel, and I love that it's free from excess plastic waste. This small change could make a big difference if more brands adopted a similar refill system. In terms of longevity, the serum does have a reasonable shelf life, but like with all skincare, make sure to keep it out of direct sunlight and tightly sealed to ensure it stays effective. As for customer support, I've heard great things about BYOMA's team. While I haven't had to interact with them personally, their reputation for quick responses and helpful advice gives me confidence that they stand behind their products. When it comes to updates, there haven't been any major changes to the formula or packaging recently. But given the sustainable nature of the product, I wouldn't be surprised if they continued to improve their packaging to minimize environmental impact even further. If you're looking for something more budget-friendly, I'd recommend checking out other niacinamide-infused serums from brands like The Ordinary or CeraVe. While they might not have the exact same formula, they do offer great alternatives for those who might not want to spend as much, but still want to brighten their skin and improve texture. To wrap things up, BYOMA Brightening Serum and Refill Bundle is an excellent product for anyone looking to brighten and hydrate their skin while supporting their skin's barrier. It's perfect for those who want a sustainable skincare option that doesn't skimp on results. While it might not be a one-size-fits-all product for every skin concern, its brightening and hydrating properties definitely make it a strong contender in the brightening serum market. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.